We're doing a proof of concept today, but what's all this?
All the tools we need to go back in time to analog, baby.
So I guess the point is doing these deep dives, regardless of what the ask is, and in this case it was a customer ask, can we help doing some testing and figuring out what the capabilities of some new technology are. We hopped right in. It's not exactly cold outside.
No.
And doing some testing to find out what our limitations are, if any. What exactly are we doing? Are we taking old infrastructure and modernizing it?
Yep. We're basically taking coax cable and taking it, reusing it, so we can use IP devices on it without having to re-pull new cable and be able to do it efficiently, saving the customer time and lots of money. Because these facilities are, sometimes they're historic, sometimes they're in areas where you just can't get to and get cabling. Plus, here's the other thing. How far can you go on a piece of coax versus a piece of Ethernet cable?
Exactly. A lot further.
Exactly. And we even took it to a degree where, yeah, we took the coax, we terminated it, we took the lengths of it, tested it to the nth degree, but then we even said, how about induced voltage? How about noise? How about things like that? So needless to say, we were using devices to make sure we were putting that type of strain on the cable to make sure it's going to work in any type of environment.
Why is any of this important?
Because our customers ask, they need it, and ultimately, if there's a need, there's a way, there's a will, and if we do it for one customer, we can tell now other customers that, hey, we've tested this and it's going to work.
Can't agree with you more. I think the most important thing is MidChes is ready to get our hands dirty, ready to be out in the heat, ready to do those proof of concepts that are so important to finding a solution that'll work for a customer.
Absolutely, Brad.
Thanks for your time, Tom. Let's go get cool.
You got it.